In this video, I'll show you how to install the NaturalVision Classic graphics mod in GTA 5 for better visuals and completely free. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the Scripthookv and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open bin. Drag and drop all these files inside a game folder. Replace the file destination and then go back. Open NaturalVision and drag and drop this reshade folder inside of a game and then open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager and make sure all three installed and close tab here and select edit mode and select yes option. Drag and drop this installer. Select install option and select mods folder and select confirm installation. Once installed done, close tab here and launch the game. I show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.